Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SOXS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis last week at some point. I don't remember the exact day, but that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price action, certainly some updates need to be made, and I'm just going to go ahead and use these annotations. Sure, these lines and levels down here still do pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion, so let's try to make this as clean as possible. So the first area of resistance in play here going forward is going to be right up there at about $6.25, and there's nothing fancy, there's nothing complicated behind that other than the fact that that is just simply where the party stopped on a few different instances today. So again, $6.25 is going to be public enemy number one for that very simple reason of just that's where the party stopped. One of the newest areas of support, what I would call the ideal level of support going forward, is going to be right there at 585. Ideal meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above that 585 mark. With that being said, though, it's not like if the price drops below there, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above it, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 585 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. So overall, great start to the week. The week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out, but just stay focused on those higher bases. And, as long as that's the case, then yeah, the bulls are in full control. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.